3 by 3 matrices. Adjoint of 3 by 3 matrices. Now, before you get adjoint of 3 by 3 matrices, if the matrix A is given as, that matrix A is given as A11, A12, A13, B21, B22, B23, C31, C32, C33. Before you get the adjoint of this matrix, you know this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Yes, because the row is 1, 2, 3, the column is 1, 2, 3, so 3 by 3. Now before you get the adjoint of it, you must get the sign of each of these elements. Sign of A11, A12, A13, B21, B22, B23, and so on. You must get their signs. Once you get their signs, then you can comfortably get their adjoint. Now, how do we get their signs, whether it is plus or minus? Now, see how you get it. Sign of the matrix. Sign of each of these positions of these elements. For any number that will be on A11, how you will know the sign is add 1 plus 1, 2. Is 2 even number? Yes, you put plus. 1 plus 2, 3. Is 3 even number? No, you put minus. 1 plus 3, 4. Is 4 even number? You put plus. 2 plus 1, 3. Is 3 even number? You say no, you put minus. 2 plus 2, 4. Is 4 even number? You say no, you put plus. 2 plus 3, 5. Is it even number? You say no, you put minus. 3 plus 1, 4, plus. 3 plus 2, 5, minus. 3 plus 3, 6, because it's even number, you say plus. So this is the sign of each of the elements you will see in this 3 by 3 matrix. Now, after getting the sign, you must get the cofactors of the elements. Now, take the matrix to be A equals to 2, 1, 0, then 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Take this to be the matrix. And they said, get the adjoint of this matrix. We have noted the sign that here is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. After knowing this sign now, you must get the cofactors of each of the elements. After getting the cofactors of each of the elements in the rows, then transpose it. After transposing it, you have got the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. I repeat, get the cofactors of the elements in the rows, then transpose it. When you do these two things, you have done adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. Now see how we do it. Cofactor, this is the first row. 2, 1, 0. That is the first row. And the sign is plus, minus, plus. So cofactors of first row. Now, see what you write. Write their signs. Plus. Put semicolon. Write the sign of this. Minus. Put semicolon. Write the sign of this. Plus. So you put your bracket. Now, see what you do. You hold the first column. When you hold the first column, forget the signs that you are seeing. Forget these signs. This is from this that we got the sign. Okay? Once you hold the first column, get the determinant of this. You say 1 times 1. Multiply 1 to 1. 1 times 1, 1. Minus 1 times 2, 2. Then you clean it. You clean the first column, hold the second what? Column. When you hold the second column, you now say how many elements will appear? 3, 2, 1, 1. Get the determinant. 3 times 1, 3, minus 1 times 2, 2. This minus you are writing is constant. You clean it, you then hold here, then say, get the determinant of the 4 elements that will appear. 3 times 1, 3. You must put minus, it's constant. 1 times 1, 1. What do we have as our answer? 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 times this, minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 times this, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 times this, 2. These are their elements. You come again, say cofactors of second row. Cofactors of second row. Then you clean this. Then you remember that the sign of the second row is minus plus minus. You say minus plus minus. You say I'm holding the second what? Row. Now I will put minus next plus next minus. I'll put my bracket. Then what I will now do is that I will hold the first what? Column. Once I hold the first column, 4 elements will appear. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Minus 1 times 0, 0. You are getting the determinants of the 4 elements that appear. 1 times 1, 1. Minus 1 times 0, 0. Then you clean this first column and hold the second what? Column. You now say 4 elements will appear. 2, 0, 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2, 0, 1, 1 are the elements that will appear. Get the determinant. 2 times 1, 2. You put minus 1 times 0, 0. Then you clean it and hold the third what? Column. You say, get the determinant of the 4 elements that will appear. 2 times 1, 2, minus 1 times 1, 1. Now, let's write our outcome. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 times minus, minus 1. Then, I'll come again. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 times this, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 times minus, minus 1. I'll come again, say, cofactors of the third row. Cofactor of it. That will be the last cofactor we will get. Cofactor of the third row, I'll clean everything and ask myself, what are the signs of the third row? Plus, minus, plus. I'll put plus, minus, plus. I will now say I am holding the third what? Row. I'm holding the third row. I'll bring out their signs. Plus, minus, plus. I put bracket. Then I now say, if I hold the first column, what will appear is 1, 0, 1, 2. I say get the determinant. 1 times 2, 2 minus 1 times 0, 0. I will now clean the first column and hold the second column. I will now say what is the element that will appear? 2, 0, 3 is 2. I say get the determinant. 2 times 2, 4 minus 3 times 0, 0. I say clean the second column. Then I will now hold the what? Third column. When I hold the third column, 4 elements will appear. I'll get the determinant. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1. Please multiply the diagonal element first. 2 times 1, 2. You put minus. 3 times 1, 3. Sort out their elements. It will be what? 2 minus 0. 2 times plus. Plus 2. 4 minus 0. 4 times minus. Minus 4. 2 minus 3. Minus 1 times plus. Minus 1. We have seen their elements. You write their elements. Cofactors. You say cofactors are, you package it accordingly. Minus 1, minus 1, 2. Next, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Next, 2, minus 4, minus 1. We have packaged their cofactor successfully. Now, finally, you say adjoint of matrix A is equal to their cofactors, transpose it. Transpose it. The column, the row are -1, -2. Carry the row. Carry this row. Put it to be column. -1, -1, 2. The second row, -1, 2, -1. Turn it to be the column, -1, 2, -1. The third row, turn it to be the column. This is 2 - 4 - 1. This is 2 - 4 - 1. This is the adjoint of the given matrix. I repeat, this is now the adjoint of the given matrix. Please keep in touch with our video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, join in the next video so that we see next to shoot on matrix. See you next.